Hey, real estate experts, targeting is the name of the game when running your Facebook ads, right? Today I'm going to show you how to master it and how to target effectively through Facebook ads as a realtor. Hey, I'm Shawn and I am a social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtors Blueprint, which helps realtors like yourself bring in nonstop leads through Facebook ads and also have those leads automatically nurtured for you so you're only speaking to the most interested one. I'm excited to show you some of the targeting strategies to make this so much easier on you. So let's go to the computer right now and give you a walkthrough. Most realtors feel stuck now and don't know how to target on their Facebook ads because Facebook came out with the special ad category. No longer can you target. And that's left a lot of people stuck saying, well, how do I target? And let's walk through and I'll show you, and I'm going to make this as simple as possible. And I hope you love this because this is super easy and no longer are you going to have to worry about this stuff. I talk a lot about running effective ads, and you need to go into the back end of Ads Manager in order to do that. What I've done is I went to Facebook. On the left-hand side, I clicked on Ads Manager. If you don't see it, click on the See More button, then you can click Ads Manager, and that's going to bring you into here. From there, let's pretend we're going to create an ad. So we'll click Create, and I talk a lot about generating leads. So we want leads in these ads. So if you haven't been doing this, I highly encourage you, go watch one of my last two videos. I don't know if it's the last one, second last one, third last one. It's one of my last few, and I walk you through step by step on how to set up an ad from scratch. This is the proper way to do it. So make sure you go check out that video. But how do we target? Maybe you know how to do all this already. You're like, yes, I get how to set up an ad, Shawn, but how do I target? So we're going to click Continue to Leads. Now I'm going to go to Manual Setup. I'm going to skip all this because, again, that's in my other video. You can go check that out. But I'm going to go to the ad set here where I always select Instant Forms too, FYI. But down here is where we target. So we can select our location. We can still do that. It's got to be within a 15-mile radius. So I'm going to take Canada because I don't want to go all of Canada. I just want to show people in my community. Let's say I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. So I'm going to select it. Now you can change this down to 15 miles as the minimum. Sorry, I didn't select the special ad category on the last page, but if I did, 15 miles is the minimum. Let's go back there and do that just because I need to show you how this works properly. There we go. Let's go back down here. Okay, so now as you can see, 15 miles is the minimum it'll let us do. Don't sweat it. That's good. You never know who's going to see your ad. Somebody could be 15 miles away and see your ad. That's great. This is where people get hung up, though. They're saying, well, before the special ad category came out, I could select by age. So maybe I want to show it from 30 to 40-year-olds, and I want only males or females. And then when I go into the detailed targeting, like you can still select some stuff in here, but you used to be able to select like even job professions, saying, I only want to show it to these people. So now you can still do interests. Like some people like to do mortgage calculator as an interest. I think Zillow is in here. So you can still do that, and it'll kind of try to show it to people that have that interest. This is what I found. Before, I would spend so much time on this, trying to figure out the different people and who I want to target. It took me a lot of time. And what I didn't realize, and now I understand today, Facebook has so much data on all of us, which I get can be scary, but let's use it to our advantage. It knows who to show our ad to. So I like to leave this as nothing. And I know you're going to be like, well, what the heck? Like, I thought you were going to show us some trick here, but literally this is the trick. And you should be happy because this makes it so much easier for you. You don't have to go through this thing and try to figure this out and select it. Let the beast do it for you. The beast of Facebook, it knows everything. And what Facebook will do is it starts to show your ad to people, and over time, it learns. One, for example, it might be like, that's interesting. The 4 leads that this person has got, all the people recently within the last 2 weeks have looked at Zillow. Well, I wonder what we should do going forward. Maybe we should show more of this ad to people that are searching through Zillow. And it starts to figure that out. So no longer do you have to beat your head against the wall trying to figure this stuff out and knowing who do I select, what's my demographic. Facebook's going to figure it out for you. Just run the ad, click that special ad category. Do not sweat it. Facebook is smart. It's going to figure it out. If you don't get the results that you were hoping for, do not blame this and say, well, Facebook is screwing me over because they're not letting me target down. What I found is, unfortunately, your ad copy sucks. Either you're not putting in the proper copy, or you're not offering something that people are actually looking for. As time goes on and you test different ads, when you finally find something that people are actually looking for, that's when you start to get a lot of leads. So don't get discouraged with this. It will take some time. It will take some testing, but you don't have to mess with this. And just know going forward that if you don't put anything in here, that's not why you're not getting the results. It's just because if what you think people are looking for generally does not end up what they're looking for. We've all had it happen to us in marketing. I have it happen all the time where I'm like, this is going to be a good idea. This is something people will be wanting. And I don't get the results. But as I do more and I test and I study and I speak to people, then I find out what they're really looking for. And that's where my ads get better results. So that's it for today. I know it's super simple and I hope you're excited because it is so simple. This makes your setting up your Facebook ad a breeze compared to what it used to be. And yeah, now you've got this thing that has so much data. Just let it do its thing and bring in the leads that you want it to bring in. As you can see, this is so exciting. It is so nice that you don't have to worry about all this targeting stuff and that we have this beast at our disposal that's gonna do it all for us. Is amazing and incredible. Now, if you're wanting some ads to run and test this out, then make sure to comment with Facebook ads and I will send you my free PDF. It will give you my 5 killer Facebook ads that generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. And then as always, if this video was of benefit, make sure to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell to be notified when I post future videos on Facebook ads. Until next time, take care, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.